Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today going to be showing you how I passed a phase 2 Quanteckle evaluation stage and managed to get funded with Quanteckle. So just going into this video, I want to make it very clear that I am trying to pass the challenge, okay? I trade differently to as I trade funded accounts. I trade a bit more risk on, and also sometimes IRRs are different, etc, okay? So just keep that in mind. So going into it, at the start of a week, I managed to take a loss on this phase 2 account. The reason this position was taken, we had this support found after this massive sell-off due to, I think that was NFP. And anyway, so I was looking off this high-low formation, which was here. Okay, so and then also we low time frame broke structure here. Okay, but then I was looking for this high-low, of course, and then I entered off of here on this low time frame breaker structure entry, whilst on the lower time frame we also rejected here. Let's see how it plays out. Obviously this hit SL, so we broke up. Okay, so we broke up here. We were holding above nicely, but then look, we sold off. Absolutely found it extremely hard to continue to break above. We failed at this high again. I think trims were taken on this position, so it was less of a loss. But we did unfortunately start to sell off from here, I'm pretty sure. So we found support here again, rejected. And then sold off to my SL, which was very unfortunate. This took a long time for this trade to play out, to be fair, so it was very unfortunate. This probably took how many hours? Yeah, this is on the 4-hour chart, so it was over like 2 days, I think. But yeah, we did end up hitting SL. Okay, so that was on EuroUSD. Clearly we broke below this low, and we wanted to push lower because we failed at this high. We clearly grabbed what we wanted from the sell-off move. And obviously, you know, we continued selling off. There you go. Okay, so we broke and retested this. We could have placed shorts here. But yeah, it was an unfortunate trade, but, you know, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. You know, that's just the game of trading. Okay, so now we're going to GBP USD. 2 trades were taken on GBP USD, which managed me to pass this account fully. Okay, so that trade, I think this got me into drawdown or break even because I was already up on the account after the trades I took last week. Anyway, this was a long, very well manually exited. The idea of the trade was this support found here, creating higher lows here, and we found support at this low. Okay, support at this low. And then basically I waited for bullish momentum to step in, which was here. I had a double bottom here. Bullish momentum stepped in, and originally I was placing TP at this resistance zone here, okay, but we had a massive run up, which actually ended up being about a 1-to-1. So I took profits early because this was before CPI, I think, and obviously I was glad I took profits early because of CPI. You know, it was a bit of a mess, but yeah, I took that early. Banked about 2%, I think. But yeah, we broke up and just sold off exactly straight away. You know, it was clearly a run up and an inducement before CPI. And then after CPI took place, I did wait for another position, actually. Okay, so I saw this massive wick that probably needed to be mitigated, whereas this had already been mitigated. So basically, I waited for this structure to be broken. We broke, forming lower highs here. Okay, off of this rejection, sorry. And basically I waited for another lower high to be formed, which was retested with this off of this key level here. Okay, and we did. I entered and sold off. So originally, okay, so this looks weird because obviously I hit TP with this RR, but basically my TP was much lower. It was about here to pass the account. Because I was up, I didn't have to get any more than a 1.3 or something to pass. But we literally missed $10 off. Okay, $10 off, whipped straight back up and came straight into drawdown. Okay, so then whilst I was in drawdown, I saw that we were rejecting off of here. So then I scaled in. I managed to play shorts here. And then I could actually decrease my RR. So I was at a 1.2. So here I added short, so I played a little bit of a short play when we sold off here. I took profits just to mitigate some loss if I took it, and also when we sold off, to make it better, I took a short position here, I think, off these wicks, just to finalize the trade. Okay, so, and it was literally another 1-to-1, and that ended up me passing the account basically. So very, not exactly high RR trades, but you know, it shows you don't really need crazy RRs to pass an account. Okay, because obviously we had decent RRs on the phase 1, because the profit target is much higher. But you know, again, we're not trading this account like a funded account. This is just a challenge. You know, we're trading it to pass. Okay, so yeah, basically that's how I passed it. I managed to hit the 5% profit target in about a week after receiving the credentials. So very good stuff. So now I'm still waiting on my live credentials, but I know that they'll be coming by Wednesday, I'm pretty sure. So I'm excited to get my credentials, hopefully get a withdrawal processed. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm glad that this was documented, because obviously we took 2 positions before, which was towards this account, I'm pretty sure. And yeah, so this is how I passed the account. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gives you a bit of insight into how to trade these phase 2 accounts and get funded. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.